Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your TikTok account from private to public. It's really easy and it doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone or some sort of tablet because the process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so the first step, of course, to open your TikTok app, and then what you need to do here, press on the me icon that is on a bottom right corner, and once you on your basically profile, the next step what you need to do here is to click on three little dots that is on a top right corner, and then you need to go on privacy, the second option, and then as you can see here, the first option is private account. So if you have this toggled on, this means that your account is private. So if you want to set your account to public, just toggle this down, and basically your account now is public. And if you don't see, there was a little lock, so basically if you toggle private account, the lock will gone. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.